Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a candle holder. So let's open this up. The color is walnut, so kind of give you an idea of how big this is and what it looks like. So that is your base. It's actually a wooden base. Dark walnut, it's pretty cool. Pull this out. That is your cage. Oh, it's two. I only thought it was one, so that's pretty cool. So that actually is a really nice little set there. So you put your candle on the inside, and then you got this little cage and base. You take this off, change your candle, put another candle in there. Pretty neat. And to give you an idea of what the actual sizes are, kind of got the huge tape measure here. So the opening at the bottom of this is almost 4.5. It's not quite 4.5 inches in circumference. Let me get more of an accurate 3. Yeah, so it is 4.5 across. So you can take a look at that. Height-wise, it's 8 inches, almost exactly. So kind of give you an idea on that one. And then this one in circumference. Inside is 8 inches across in diameter. And then it has basically a 11, almost 10.5. We'll call it 10.5 inches deep. But yeah. What a cool little candle set. Kind of like that. It's kind of got that like goth look to it. Alright, bye from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.